Leflutrozole, developmental code names BGS 649, CGP 47645, is an aromatase inhibitor which is under development by Mereo BioPharma and Novartis for the treatment of hypogonadism in men. It was also under investigation for the treatment of endometriosis, but development for this indication was discontinued. As of December 2017, Leflutrozole is in phase 2 clinical trials for hypogonadism. See also: List of investigational hormonal agents. Estrogenics. References. External links. Leflutrozole, Addison site.